Have you heard about the BRICS nations? That's Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa.
Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran and the United Arab Emirates joined the organisation on the 1st of January 2024.
Creating their own digital currency, they are aiming to become less dependent on the US dollar and are actively developing the blockchain technology for it right now. There is no set timeline yet, and the idea definitely has some big challenges to face. The recent talks hint a step-by-step plan to bring their countries closer financially with this new digital currency system. The idea of a BRICS currency is pretty huge and could really change the world's financial scene. But any big changes will take time and need careful planning by the countries involved. Imagine this: if everything goes perfectly, in 10 years, this new currency could be a major player on the world stage. But keep in mind, that's just speculation for now. Will it really change the dominance of the US dollar? We'll have to watch and see. For now, the move towards financial independence by these countries is definitely something to keep an eye on. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to follow for the latest in global financial news.